Okay, we have a 180-degree camera. Let's see if we can learn something today. Look at the spin, look at the spin on your ball. Yeah. You hit. Oh my God, she is getting so good at it. Did you see it curve? Boom.
Okay, boom. Done.
Boom shakalaka laka. Yeah. Oh, I see the game. That is such an easy shot. What are you waiting for? Take your time. Or 13. It doesn't matter. Either one. Or the 10. Look at the 10. She just sank 3 balls in a row, ladies and gentlemen, this year, and you clear the board. That is the only question. Who is going to be her most recent victim? I think it's going to be. It was a bank shot.
Yeah, you
I took a chance. There you go.
There.
Oh,
shit. Yes.
Woo-wee.
Okay.
Wow, and look how you lined it up for the spin on the cue ball that screwed it up. The spin that I put on the cue ball made it one with it. So I have a lot to
Where
learn.
is this one going?
I have a lot to learn.
I have a lot to learn.
Okay, hot shot. I know, I'm so lousy. Look at this. All you have to do is hit the 6 and it come over here.
I hope so.
The 6 almost went in there. Did you see that? Doesn't matter. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't.
Pwede na mag-tournament. Pwede na mag-tournament. You can already fight with the mama son. Sorry, it was not lined up. But it's okay, it's funny.
You think that's okay? Watch how okay that
Okay,
was.
okay.
Watch how okay that
Yeah,
was.
okay.
Whew.
Okay.
Close game. You should have had that, April.
I know. Okay, you're great.
Oh, okay.